Don't tell me that you clicked on this video expecting me to show you how to do a no makeup look because you're planning on breaking quarantine. I will not do that. You can exit this class. But for all you obedient, caring, and great citizens, residents, and human beings who are not breaking quarantine before you should, this video is for you. Please enjoy. So I did this off camera, but man, how do YouTubers do this? Surprisingly difficult. We got the Beste number 9 jelly cleanser. This was literally free. Did this? Anyways, this was a free sample and I'm just trying it out. And as far as I know, their brand is pretty ethical. But after washing my face with that, this is definitely a go-to. Rose hips. This is the Botanics, the Power of Plants Hydrating Day Cream. 81% organic. This is something you can buy in your drugstore. It's affordable compared to most moisturizers. So this one's a keeper. I went through a whole container of this, and for me that's pretty impressive. So this is my second container. And I've already put that on off camera and let that sink in and dry. And now we're gonna go in with our sunscreen. Today I woke up and the ghost of Christmas past scratched me on the face. Casper's paying me a little visit. Is not scented. It's dermatologist recommended. It is sunscreen. Next, we're gonna go in with this Maybelline BB cream. Maybelline my maybe lining my life with joy because I've used it for so long, and I know some people don't like to put foundation on during the summer because it just melts right off. This is a BB cream. It's light, it's affordable, easy to add to your collection. It really is just for getting rid of redness. Doesn't cover up too much, so if you have any acne scars or additional things you want to cover, I'd go in with a concealer, but thankfully I'm not really breaking out right now. I've always been lucky to have good skin. My T-bone area has definitely been a bit problematic throughout my middle and high school years, but nothing that can't be fixed with a good routine. In middle school, we had this teacher who could raise one eyebrow, and all the girls had the biggest crush on him, so naturally we all learned how to I can't do it anymore. Raise one eyebrow. I don't know if it was supposed to subconsciously impress him or consciously embarrass ourselves, but that's what we did. Okay, next are eyebrows. Eyebrows are something that you don't want to go too psychotic with over the summer. You want to go for that light, fresh, alluring look. And I have been blessed by God with the eyebrows that I have. Alright, and we are using the Anastasia Beverly Hills thing that everyone uses that I've had since high school. These things are really just to shape your face. We got one of the only other high-end brand things that I own. Real bougie. Just the eyeliner everyone has. You don't even need eyeliner, but it just depends on your eye shape and what you're trying to do. I'm gonna put a lot of mascara on. Not enough as like the girls in The Bachelor, but a good amount. Although I do commend them on their ability, on their eyelashes ability to carry that much mascara. What I've noticed is the more mascara I use, the more things tend to fall out. Well, that leads to more wishes. Just throw it over your shoulder. I have to do just like a nice mascaras. We have some free sample ones that I got from my mom from many trips to Macy's, but we also have some ones that I have discovered through recommendation. And by recommendation, I mean my beauty guru friends who are so amazingly talented. I really do think everyone should know a little bit about makeup. So we're gonna go in with this. It's so annoying when people say they don't look attractive putting on mascara. Mascara. Do what you gotta do. No one's judging. Okay, next, bronzer. This may be something that people will fight me on, but I don't think you need a tremendous amount of highlight, especially when you already have a BB cream on. You totally can, but if you're just wearing this makeup to last 20 minutes before you hop in the pool, or you're still going to work and you don't want to look super oily, a little dab of highlight will do the trick. Some in between the corners of your eyes, you're set to go. Okay, people may skip this step altogether with putting lipstick on. However, I think finding a lipstick will do wonders for you, because it is a natural no makeup look, but just try to get a lipstick that is either one shade darker or lighter on your natural tone. I think lipstick is pertinent to the cohesiveness of your look. And if you have a matte lipstick, you can just throw on some chapstick or gloss. Well, actually, gloss probably isn't that good for you if you're wearing a mask, because then it'll just get everywhere. So 2020 is no lipstick look summer, because I know you won't be taking your mask off. I know you will only be going to Costco from the living room to the office and outside to walk your Pomeranian or dog or ferret, I don't know. Or you could wear lipstick anyway so that people can sense your aura and it masks your depression. Lastly, instead of a setting spray, because we will sweat through this, we are going to spray ourselves with self-love and self-worth and actual perfume, because I don't know where my perfume went, because we really do need to cover up that depression. Kidding.